Hey everyone, it's Excellent Dude again with another Excel how-to video. By the end of this short video, you'll be a master of using the SUM IF and the SUM IFS functions. If you want to learn Excel or grow your skills, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started with the difference between the two functions. The SUM IF function allows you to calculate the sum of a range based on a single criteria or condition. The SUM IFS function is the calculation of the sum of a range based on multiple criteria or conditions. Let's try them out. In this set of sample data, we have the October sales of some retail stores. I have listed 3 different sum totals of sales that we may want to know the answer. Let's begin with total sales of stores with sales above $20,000. For this, we can use the basic SUM IF function. We would begin with equals, then SUM IF, then opening bracket. We would then select the range where we want to find the sales above 20,000. In this case, it would be D4 through D9. Next, we'd add a comma, followed by open quotes, and the close angle bracket for greater than, and then 20,000, close the quotes, and then the closing bracket, and click Enter. The result is $68,907, which is the total sales of Dallas, New York, and Los Angeles. Let's move on to the second one. Find the total sales of stores in California. Again, we'll begin with equals, and then SUM IF, and opening bracket. This time we'll use the range C4 through C9 for the state. We'll follow this with a comma, then opening quotes, and CA, and then the closing quotes. And this time, we'll add another comma, and then select the range of D4 through D9 for the sales. We'll add the closing bracket and click Enter. The result is $62,406, which is the total sales of San Jose, San Diego, and Los Angeles. Finally, we'll tackle the total sales of stores in California with sales above $17,000. For this one, we'll use the SUM IFS function. This one's going to be a little more complicated. We'll begin with equals, SUM IFS, and then the opening bracket. And we'll begin with the sum range, which would be D4 through D9, followed by a comma. And then we'll add the criteria range, which in this case would be the states, or C4 through C9. We'll add another comma and add our first criteria, which would be opening quotes, CA, then the closing quotes, followed by a comma. Next, we'll add the second range, which would be D4 through D9. We'll add a comma, then the criteria, which is the sales above $17,000. So to do this, we'll add the opening quotes, the close angle bracket for greater than, and then 17,000, and closing quotes. Add the closing bracket and click Enter. We now have a result of $45,617, which is the total sales of San Diego and Los Angeles. As you can see, the SUM IF and SUM IFS function are a great way to get the sum of a range based on one or more criteria. If you find my videos informative, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like learning about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification icon to be notified when I release new videos. Thanks again and have an excellent day.